will remove this one. We will repair this one. See, the problem is burning relay of auxiliary fan. Ito open this one. We will repair this one. So we need to remove all the fuse, the relay, mini fuse, mini relay, fuse, and we will repair the fuse box. The main issue of this model, Tahoe 2007 until 2014, the fuse box is always burning because the relay of auxiliary fan always burning. So we need to repair this one. We don't need to remove, we don't need to change it assembly because it's very expensive. So we will repair this one. As you can see, $50 na lang ibigay mo. Oh. Pwede. Kasi 60 ang inambag namin eh. Babalik ko yung tig sa 10 yung ano. Pag sa 10 sa kanila kasi tig yung 60. Inambunahan ka muna namin yung ano. Magbigay ka ng 50.
Tapos yung internet kay Dons.
Ha?
Yung internet kay Dons.
Yung internet kay Dons. Okay, sorry for the interrupt. We don't have special tools in this workshop, so you need to remove it carefully. But see, the plastic is always damaged. No issue. We will remove this one. We will repair this one because I have a fuse there. I will replace this one. That's why I'm not afraid to broken the plastic, see? But you need to be careful when you remove this one because it's plastic. It's automatically broken, the cover of the fuse. The issue of this problem is overheat, engine overheat. I use non-nose, but if you have special tools, it's better. Special tools is found in the fuse box in the dashboard. We have a fuse box there. It's IP fuse box. We have a plastic one, the small plastic one, the fuse remover. the small pieces of strap or cable tie. I don't try it because it's usable. I put there so I will remove easily the fuse box cover. On the fuse, I remove. Okay, we will remove. Okay. Charan! 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 I will show you. I will show you. So we need to remove this one, the clips. Here is the problem. I will show you. See, as you can see this one, but my camera is very old. See, it's burning, so we need to replace this one, this connector pin. The main issue of this model GMC 2007 up to 14, this is the main issue. Okay,